Mama, I don't know what to do. How do I get married to two sisters? Just tell me how.
My son, are you sure you are responsible for that pregnancy?
Yes, Mama. But it was a mistake. I don't know what happened. Something came over me.
Mistake or no mistake, you must marry that girl. She is the real woman. After all, you have been married to Ndidi for many years now. Yet she has nothing to show for it. Who knows if she's barren?
Mama, how can you say that? Mama, I don't expect you to say things like this. Mama, you're a woman. My wife is not barren. She's going to have children at the right time. I can't marry that devilish girl. I love my wife so much, and I wouldn't do anything to break her heart.
When you were jumping on top of her, so you did not know that she was a devilish girl. When you were enjoying her, did you not know that you love your wife, or did you not remember that you love your wife? Jacob, I need a grandchild, and that girl is about to give me one. I will not let you throw her away.
No, I don't understand what you're saying. You used to tell me Ndidi is the best woman ever. And now you have turned your back on her.
I did not turn my back on her. What you're saying, she still remains my favorite daughter-in-law. But what we are talking about here now is how to accept someone that has given us what she could not. If you don't marry her, I will never forgive you. Never. You have to marry that girl.
Please, can you just stop crying? You're hurting yourself the more. Of course, this is not the best thing you should be doing at this time. Ndidi, stop crying, please. If I don't cry, what should I do? I feel like I'm watching a Nollywood movie. Everything happened before my eyes. I can't even understand it. I'm confused. This is my fault. Priska is my fault. It's my fault. How do you mean it's your fault? I know how much I fought my husband to bring my sister to the city. If I had seen this whole thing, I wouldn't have let her come to live with me. I wouldn't. My dear, it is not your fault. It's not your fault. Listen up. I blame your husband for every single thing. Yes. Because if he had kept that dangling thing between his legs unchecked, we wouldn't be discussing this. Of course, you know that. I ask again, must he cheat on you? Must he cheat on you? Just take a good look at how beautiful you look. Okay, fine. Even if he has to cheat, must it be with your younger sister? The most painful part is that my sister is going to be my co-wife. My co-wife, Priska. See, Ndidi, you have to calm down. You have to pull yourself together. Calm down. Okay, fine. I think the most important thing now is for us to find a way to secure your marriage. Yes. And not allowing you cry yourself out. This is too much for me to bear. My heart is tearing apart. This is too much for me. It is too much. Please, it's okay. Ndidi, please. Please.
Papa, believe it or not, this is a bad time for me and my family. But the truth is, I love my wife so much. And I can't afford to bring another woman into my matrimonial home. Please, I am begging from the bottom of my heart. Kindly tell me, what other alternative do I have? What other option do I have to resolve this crazy situation?
You see, if there is an alternative, we wouldn't be here talking about this for too long. Ozioma is the issue here. Her decision is what we are working with. And we have to work with her decision.
Papa, I understand. I understand how you feel. I understand everyone is disappointed. But please, look into this matter. There must be an alternative. People say there are so many ways to kill a rat, and I strongly believe in that philosophy. Papa, if this situation is what money can handle, I am ready to pay Ozioma off. Just name your price.
You want to pay her off? Jacob, can you pay 100 million naira?
Ikemba, 100 million. You know how much that is?
Then you don't have money. Why then are you talking about money here? Listen, Jacob. Listen and listen very good. If not that you are my sister's husband, what I would have done to you. The whole world will hear it and say, Ikemba, you went too far. You're here talking about money when you don't have 1 naira.
Ikemba, calm down. Calm down. Jacob, here is your in-law. If you have respect for your sister, you should have respect for her husband too. So mind how you talk to him. Calm down. In-law, just...
Ikemba, I can feel your pain. And it is your fundamental right to protect your sister. But the truth is, I feel very bad. And I am ashamed of my actions. But please, I'm here for peace. I want peace in my marriage. Papa, please kindly make this easy for me.
Jacob, I say there is no need beating around the bush. You have to go and come back with your people. When you come, you will collect the marriage list and do 1 or 2 things in the list. Then, after Ozioma has put to bed, you will come and complete the marriage rites as demanded by tradition. That should be it.
So, what did they say?
They said I must marry Ozioma. I pleaded for hours. I even offered to pay her off, but they insisted I marry her.
But why are they behaving like this? Are they not considering the feelings of their first daughter? Mama, I think you should go there by yourself. Talk to them, break them.
Shut up! Huh? What is even wrong with you? Who asked for your opinion? What do you expect me to go and tell them? Eh? They have taken the right decision. And that is final, simple something. He has to do what they asked him to do. After all, he's not the first person to marry 2 wives.
Mama, why are you talking like this? Why are you talking like this? I know it's not a new thing to marry 2 wives.
I haven't even thought of that.
Are you not the one that brought an ant-infested firewood to your house? It is your problem, so you have to deal with it. How does your check? When do you plan to go and meet them with your kinsmen? Eh? Anabamuketi.
I came to find out the conclusion in this matter. Are you still giving out Ozioma to my husband in marriage?
My daughter, Ndidi, listen very carefully. You see, I want you to understand that blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Ozioma is your sister. Your blood sister. Your younger sister. Therefore, I'm appealing to you to find a way to cope with her. Please. Yeah? The mistake has been made. There is absolutely nothing anyone can do about it. Nothing.
That means you are going ahead to give her to my husband as a second wife, okay?
Ndidi, my daughter.
Ma.
We are doing this to make peace reign in this family. And like your father said, the mistake has been made. Ozioma said your husband took away her virginity, thereby breaking the covenant she made with God. She now demands for her right.
So this is how you people want to pay me back for all my contributions in this family? Mama, how do you think giving Ozioma to my husband as a wife will bring peace to this family? You see that house? I will make it very uncomfortable for her.
Ndidi, what did you just say? Now listen, if anything happens to Ozioma in that house, I will hold you responsible. In fact, I will not forgive you and I will not forgive your husband. Why are you talking like this? Imagine if you were in her shoes. Your husband got her pregnant. Not just getting her pregnant, raped her. Threatened to kill her. No, now, if you were in her shoes, what would you have done? Besides, since then you've not even made any attempt to come apologize. No, now.
Mama, can you just stop? Mama, I know my husband very well. I know Jacob. Jacob can never rape Ozioma. And he did not send any high assassin to kill her. Ma, Ozioma threw herself at my husband. Now she has gotten what she wants, right? No problem. No problem. We'll see to the end.
Ndidi.
But why did you talk to her like that? You know she's a girl.
How do you know? She's in pains, yes. And Ozioma is in pains as well. Like I said, if anything happens to Ozioma, I'll hold Ndidi and her husband responsible.
Why would you allow such misfortune to befall me? Two of my daughters, married to one man, the same man. That means having all my eggs in one basket. If anything happens to Jacob today, my two daughters will become widows. Just like that. Widows. Hi!
Carol! Carol! Carol!
Ma, must I call you 3 times or more before you answer me?
No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Take this money. Rush to my shop. Tell Stella to give you those things I kept in the drawer. I've been calling her line and it's switched off. Please don't waste my time. Hurry.
Okay, ma'am.
Carol! How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Carol, I'm so tired. And could you please help me massage my feet a bit, please? Ma, shut up and do exactly what I asked you to. Be fast. Yes, there, down there, the ankle. It's okay. Carol, my baby and I are craving for noodles. I want it a bit peppery with lots of veggies, okay? Carrots, green beans, onion.
Mother asked me to go and
I said, shut up and go inside the kitchen and quickly make noodles for me.
Carol, please go where I sent you to, immediately. Are you still standing there?
Go and make noodles for me. Are you stupid? Go and make. Come back.
Are you serious?
Go inside that kitchen and make noodles.
Ozioma!
Are you mad? Don't you use your sense?
Ozioma. You know, I will just pretend like I didn't see what just happened. I will not allow you put me in a bad mood today. No. I won't allow you. You know what? You're just a devil in human form. That is what you are. But it's okay. I won't let you agitate me.
You're the one who's heartless. You're the one without any iota of human feeling. How dare you ask her to go get you something when I asked her to make noodles for me? For crying out loud, I'm your blood sister. I'm pregnant. I need to be pampered. I need to be taken care of. You know, pregnant women, at every given time, we crave for different things. I need absolute attention. Not you. Well, I don't blame you. You've never been pregnant. So there's this thing with talking to barren women about pregnancy experiences. So, and please, for the last time, I'd like to warn you. Do not stress me. Okay? If you don't know how to treat pregnant woman, go and make inquiries. Ask questions. This is not the right approach. Don't stress me. Please, I just want to chill. Eat what I truly love. Have peace and enjoy myself. Or before more premature. It's okay. I won't stress you again, baby.
You can say whatever you want to say. You are entitled to your opinion. But if you're looking for who to serve you, go and get a housemaid for yourself. Not this one. Caroline!
No. My husband is here. See, I told you. I pleaded with you. Do not stress me. I'm pregnant for crying out loud. Carol!
Babe, you're not talking to me. For how long do we keep doing this? You're my first wife.
Jacob, let me have peace. Just let me be. Allow me wallow in my sorrow, please, I beg you.
Didi, I have been pleading. Babe. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm ashamed of myself. It's never going to happen again. Ne. United will stand, and divided will fall. Ozioma.
My co-wife.
Ozioma, what are you doing here?
Are you a baby? Are you blind? Can't you see what I'm doing here? I'm here to sleep with my sweet husband.
What are you doing here?
My love, why are you yelling at me? It's cold. The weather is so cold. Moreover, I don't want to sleep in that room alone. Am I not your wife?
Please go back to your room.
Sister, talk to our husband to give me attention. Deny me my matrimonial rights. This bed belongs to all of us.
Babe, where are you going? Babe, why are you walking out? Ozioma, what is this now? Are you a witch? Leave me alone!
Why are you yelling at me? She's been sleeping on this bed for years and she has absolutely nothing to show for it. Just ofumba, the result. What are they going to fertile? You should be happy with me, baby. Baby.
Carol, Namo, how have you been coping?
My brother, the Lord is my strength.
See,
Oga has made the highest and worst mistake of his life by marrying that devil as a wife. Yes, I'm telling you.
That woman is a devil. Hey! You need to see the way she was ordering me around. Caro, fetch water. Caro, no, I don't need water again. I need juice. Caro, come. The worst part of it is that she is very lazy. The other day, she asked me to go and flush the toilet for her.
Did you do it? See, Caro, if you did it, tell me you did it. If you didn't did it, tell me you didn't did it.
But I did it.
You did it?
I did it too.
How?
There is no job in this country. What do you want me to do? I did it this time around. I'm sorry. I did it.
Hey, Caro, you know, try at all. You know, do it. Why would she even ask you to flush her toilet? Is she crazy? Are you a slave?
Adam,
I
beg. We need to work. We need to work here because no job. So leave waiting the right for motor. Enter motor.
Dinonye, unless only you. Me, I no fit live waiting the right for motor, enter motor. What if the motor they go Sokoto while they go Onitsha? Or the motor where they ride ambulance or even black barrier? You say make I enter. I no fit do am.
Hello.
Why did you lock the door?
You think I'm not smart? I knew you were going to out. Jacob, where do you think you're going? No, answer me. Where do you think you're going? You want to sneak out, Okwia?
Uzioma, open this door before I break it.
You would do no such thing. You won't break the door. You're not a mad person, Ibro Nyara. Where do you even think you're going? You want to go and make that fig tree of a wife and leave Uzioma the fruitful girl. Do you think it's even easy? One go like this, I catch it. And look at how you're paying me back. Look at how you're treating me.
Uzioma, my wife is not barren, okay? God is going to give her a child at the appointed time. Now open this door before I break it.
Over my dead body.
How did I end up with you? How did we get here?
Destiny, my love. Isn't it obvious we're meant to be together? I'm your baby for life.
I hate you.
I love you, baby.
I hate everything about you.
I love everything.
I hate you. Now give me that key.
I will do no such thing.
Give me the...
Humble yourself, lie down and attend to your pregnant wife. You think it's easy?
Uzioma,
I've proven to the world that you are a complete man.
Give me the keys.
I won't. The only time it's romantic was when you did this thing. Every other time you wore tiger. You stress me because we are romance. I hate this baby.
I've written baby bath, so what else?
Baby oil.
What else?
Baby sit.
What else?
1 dozen of napkins. 10 different kind of skirts.
Huh?
Mm.
Skirt guinea?
Skirts.
Wait, why skirt?
I strongly believe that I will give birth to a female child.
You're dreaming, no? I have told you time with that number that you must give birth to a male child. Because I've had similar dreams where I was carrying a male child. I mean Ikemba
Baby, stop
Junior.
This. Stop this. Write what I ask you to write.
So what if you didn't give birth to a female child? What happens?
The boy will wear the skirt.
Huh?
It's not a waste of money.
Say it again.
The boy will wear the skirt.
Yeah.
Just write what I ask
Wait,
you to.
so you want my boy to start wearing skirt from childhood? Kidding Nako? 2.
Baby, I don't like this argument. Write what I ask you to write.
Okay, you win. But on one condition, we must buy trouser.
I was about to mention that before you interrupt me with your argument.
Yeah, let me write.
Write baby Karen there.
Baby what?
You didn't hear me.
No. What did you say?
Baby Karen.
Do you know how much is carrier? Is your bag not better than carrier? Ataramijo go in there's a carrier.
Baby, write it. You can roll quick hotel. There.
Full stop. Edechago.
Edesigo. Ha.
Take your...
Let me write it.
My beautiful sister, I'm so happy for you. Hey, this is what I'm talking about. I would also want to beg you for something. I know that God in His infinite mercy will bless you with the man of your dream. When that finally happens, don't forget to invite me for your wedding, because I'm definitely going to be the chief bridesmaid. I will look all gorgeous, dazzling, spiffy, beautiful. Body will scatter the place. Okay? I can help you with your things.
No. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Osioma,
Yes.
I wish you safe delivery.
Amen. Thank you.
Out of all the men in the world, you chose my husband to marry. It's fine. But mark my words, posterity will judge you. Nature will judge you for me. You can have him all to yourself. I'm leaving to start afresh. Okay?
Okay.
Take care of him and enjoy your life. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Devil, back and go. I am a winner. Back and go. Devil, back and go. I am a winner. Back and go. Devil, be fast with your packing. I am a winner. Back and go. I say, devil, back and go. I am a winner. Back and go. Be fast with your packing. I am a winner in the Lord. Oh, devil, back and go. I am beautiful pregnant Uzoma. Oh, my baby is back. Sugar, how are you? Welcome. What happened now? Since you left for work, you didn't bother calling to check on me. I was even worried. I don't know. Why would you keep me so lonely? I love you. Now I'm pregnant. I need care. I need attention. You're supposed to be calling me every minute to check on me. Because as a pregnant woman, anything can happen. How was your dad's work? Did you miss me?
Where's your sister?
Am I supposed to be her keeper? I don't know where she is. Did you even ask me how I'm feeling? Did you even ask about our baby? You're asking me of my sister. I don't know. I don't know.
I've been trying to call her. The number is off.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe she has gone to visit one of her numerous boyfriends. I know who my sister is. Let me even inform you, my king. I'm sure she's trying to get pregnant outside and pin it on you. Do not allow that to happen. Stay woke, my love. Please. She's doing everything possible so she can be pregnant. But whatever that happens, our baby would have been. I would have delivered. My king. Baby. Whatever. I love you. I'm your baby. Forever. Hey.
My in-law.
Papa. Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you and my daughters?
I'm fine. I'm here to pick my wife.
Which of your wives? None of them is here.
Sorry?
None of your... What are you talking about?
Are you saying Ndidi is not here?
Ndidi? I've not seen Ndidi. But she's supposed to be at your place.
She's not in my house. Papa, are you saying Ndidi is not here? I went to work 2 days ago. When I came back, I realized she had packed all her things and left the house. She even blocked my number. I waited for her return, but I still can't find her. I had to come to the village to see myself.
Ndidi. But wait. Have you checked on any of her friends in the city? I mean...
I know one of her friends who just relocated to Lagos, but I don't have a number. Papa, she didn't call you?
No. No. Where could she be? Huh? Anyway, don't worry. I know Ndidi very well. She will definitely come back to you. Maybe she has gone somewhere to cool off, or whatever. You know, her head is hot right now. Don't worry, yeah? She will come back to you. Come, let me offer you some cola now. Yeah?
Thank you, Papa.
God has done it for us. My wife has just put to bed a bouncing baby boy.
Hey!
I mean, Ikemba Junior.
Ikemba Junior.
He has done for me, Junior. He has done for me, oh. He has done for me. He has done for me. He has done. He has done for me. He has done for me. What I cannot do. He has done for me, Papa.
Ikemba Junior.
Papa, if you see my wife, she's so sound and healthy. If you see her, you won't believe that she just gave birth today.
See?
Papa, Ikemba.
That
Junior.
means my blood is already working in her.
Hey, Papa. I am so excited.
But wait, have you called your mother to inform her?
Papa, I have called my mother 3 times. She didn't pick. I guess she's busy. Papa, I guess my mother is busy.
Maybe it's not. Oh, wait.
Papa,
What's that? Let's go. Uzioma's husband.
Pick.
Hello? My in-law. My good in-law. How are you? Yeah? Uzoma, I just put to bed.
Hey! Double blessing.
What
Double
is
blessing.
the sense of this?
Double blessing.
Amen, child.
Hey! Papa,
Double blessings in
Papa,
one
2
day.
grandsons. 2
Thank you very
grandsons.
much.
2 grandsons.
Hello, wait. Hello.
Papa, is that come back. Call the
You're
number.
trying to tell me something.
No, call.
Wait,
Call, put it.
Hello?
Right.
Oh,
what is
no airtime? No airtime now or 4 days. For what? Please, run and buy me airtime.
All the money, 500.
Buy 1,000 naira when they will give you credit. Hey! Oh God. This. Hey.
Priska, why did you bring me out here?
I brought you out here because I want us to talk about something very important.
I'm all ears.
You see, Ndidi, if I don't talk to you about this, it means I'm a very bad friend. Now, I would love you to go back to your husband. Yes. You can't allow that beast you call a sister to ruin your home for you. As it stands now, your husband needs you. And take a good look at your condition. You need your husband as well. And I know you still love him.
Going back there will bring all the memories that I've already forgotten. I've been through this trauma already and I don't want to go back to it. I'm tired.
Ndidi, you need to calm down. I understand exactly how you feel. I understand how you feel. But listen up. I need you to, take what I'm telling you so serious because you will never regret it. Yes. You won't regret it.
Okay, can I at least think about it? Let me just go home and rest.
There she goes again. Fine. Say, you can fling me into the thin air. But please and please, you said this word of mine. Just make use of them. Please, I beg you.
Okay, madam, I've heard.
So, what did you say you want again?
Ice cream.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Hey, wait. Madam. Madam. Hey. Madam, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you very much. How are you?
I am fine by the grace of God. I'm fine.
Okay, so how is everybody? Is my husband at home?
No, he's at home. In fact, he's inside. Hey, madam, seeing you now has awakened my hope and appetite to continue this work. Hey.
It's okay.
Hey.
Thank you, madam.
Oh, Master. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Hey. This was exactly what I saw in my dream. Hey, so beautiful. Hey, welcome back home.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Hey. Sorry. Let me help you. Hey. Hey! What God cannot do does not exist. Can you imagine? Huh? Hey! Madam, so the man taking out. Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. I'm going to work. I'm not out.
Babe, where have you been? I've been searching for you everywhere.
I'm sorry I left without telling you.
No.
But I'm back now. I'm back for the whole family at large.
Babe, you don't have to apologize. I should be the one doing that. I have wronged you and I'm sorry. I apologize for everything I've done, everything I've put you through. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I forgive you already.
But are you pregnant?
Yes, baby. I dropped a note before I left stating that I was pregnant. I don't know if you saw the note.
I didn't see any. Wait, you're pregnant for me?
Yes, baby.
You're pregnant for me?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Sit down, sit.
So, how are you? What is it?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for everything I did to you. Forgive me. I lied against your husband. He didn't rape me, like I said earlier. I was the one that seduced him. I wanted him desperately. That's why. He wasn't drunk, he wasn't high either. I charmed him. Jacob. As I rub this oil on my face, you will not resist me. You will do all my wishes and desire. You will be mine and mine alone. You've made the worst mistake by allowing me step my foot into this house.
Uzoma, so you're this evil?
Yes. I did it because I needed to make your marriage miserable for taking my man away from me. Jacob belongs to me.
I'm confused. Do you know my husband before?
Yes.
Baby, why didn't you tell me?
I did that to save our marriage. I'm ready to marry you and I'm serious about it.
Don't you think it's still too early for such proposal?
No, it's not. As a matter of fact, my parents are on my neck. They want me to get married as soon as possible. The truth is I am ready. Listen, I want to take care of you. I want to take you away from this village. And when I get married to you, I'll take you to Canada.
Okay, but do you want to marry me because your parents are on your neck, or you want to marry me because you love me?
No, but of course I love you.
Say it now.
I love you now. I'll marry you. Truth is, they want me to get married as soon as possible.
Alright.
But I truly want to get married to you. I want you to think about it.
Okay, not just me. I'll also have to discuss with my parents and get back to you.
So how long will that take?
Tomorrow.
How much time do you need?
Tomorrow, next tomorrow.
Yes. Are you sure? Come, let me take you back.
Alright. You are romantic.
No, that will not happen. Tell that man that you are not ready for marriage yet.
Papa, why? Papa, for crying out loud, I'm no longer a child. Why?
You're asking me why? Listen, you are still an undergraduate. You must finish your education before you think of marriage. That is my decision.
And in addition to that, you cannot get married before your elder sister Ndidi. So you have to wait for her to get married first, before you start thinking of marriage.
Listen, in case you don't know, that is the tradition of this land. And if you do otherwise, no one will attend your marriage. Not myself, not your mother, not any of your relations. You just go there and do your marriage alone.
I'm so sorry. What you're asking of me won't be possible.
But I want to know why. Didn't your parents accept my request?
Listen, it's not about my parents here. It's about me. I'm still an undergraduate. I wouldn't want to get married if I don't finish with my school.
But that makes everything interesting. I promise to take care of your university education.
My parents are capable. They are not complaining. Please, I appreciate, but there are a lot of other beautiful girls in this village. Get yourself one and marry. I'm not ready.
Ozioma, so you're turning me down?
Not really.
I've been chasing after you. I told you I want to marry you, and you're turning me down. You're asking me to go to other girls, right?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
I'm sorry, I don't mean it that way. I'm not just ready for marriage.
Okay, I hope you don't regret this though. It's fine. I actually had a good time with you. And have a nice day.
You too.
Have a good life. And don't worry, I'll still send you that money I promised you, okay?
What kind of thing is this now? Eh? I don't understand my parents, so where am I going to get this kind of man again in my life? Cute, humble, rich, sexy, bloody romantic. What is all this nonsense now? I don't understand my parents, so what I'm never going now. Hi. Okay, if it's for me, he will still come back, Sha.
The day you brought him to the house and introduced him to Mama and Papa,
I was very angry. He was supposed to be my husband, but Mama and Papa said no. But when he came for you, they allowed it. I became very angry, desperate to have him back. I was supposed to tell you back then, but I wouldn't want you to miss him the way I did. Jacob is a good man. He's a very nice man, and I wouldn't want our family to miss him. That's why I allowed you guys to go on with the marriage. Mama caused everything. Mama and Papa.
But Mama, why would you and Papa do such a thing? Why?
Joanna.
My daughter, we did it for a purpose.
What purpose, Mama? Mama, what purpose? Jacob is supposed to be my husband. You caused all this.
Uzoma, calm down. Please, calm down. We wanted to maintain orderliness in the family. That was why we did not allow her get married before you. We did it for your own good and the good of the family.
Mama, just listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. You caused all this. You and Papa caused all this problem. He was supposed to be my husband. You took him away from me, gave him to my sister. How does that make any sense to you, Mama? I don't deserve to have a cute, handsome man as my husband. Is it my fault that God decided to bless me early with a good man? Deputy Jesus. Now, Nenian. I'm sorry.
Blame Mama and Papa. And for the marriage, I'm no longer interested. After all, I bought the ring myself. I'm not doing it again. I'll go to the village with Mama. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. It's okay. I'm sorry, please. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Mama, he caused all these things. Mama, it was you and Papa.
But, Mama, what about the baby?
That's another problem, oh. That's another problem. My baby died.
Another problem. My baby died 5 minutes after giving birth to my baby.
I'm Amaka. Mama, you caused all this. I'm sorry. Jacob, I'm sorry. You know you're supposed to be mine. I'm sorry. Let me go and pack my things.
Uzoma.
Mama, let me maintain all that it is and go.
I know I loved you with everything I've got. I know I loved you with all my beating heart. I know I want you no matter what it takes from me. If I don't have you, all my world will cry. I know I loved you with everything I've got. I know I loved you with all my beating heart. I know I want you no matter what it takes from me. If I don't have you, all my world will crash. I know how it beat for my heart on the day that I saw you. I can't explain what I feel in my heart, what I feel for you. We were never meant to be. We were only just a dream. Our love was never meant to be. But I know that I loved you with everything I've got. I know I loved you with all my beating heart. I know I want you no matter what it takes from me. If I don't have you, all my world will cry. I know I loved you with everything I've got. I know I loved you with all my beating heart. I know I want you no matter what it takes from me. If I don't have you, all my world will crash. I know how it beat for my heart on the day that I saw you. I can't explain what I feel in my heart, what I feel for you. We were never meant to be. We were only just a dream. Our love was never meant to be.